Hey everybody, Jeff here and welcome back to the channel. Man, do we have a great deal to tell you about today. So this right here is the Dewalt toolkit known as the DCD996P2. What this is Dewalt's half-inch hammer drill. This is the DCD996. Now I've had this hammer drill, I have actually 2 or 3 of them. So anyway, this kit right now has been on sale at Lowe's if you can find it. Now that's the trick. But a lot of stores have them. Most people just don't know they're there, and even the employees don't know they're there. So today's video, we're going to show you specifically how to get it. If you deviate 1 iota from what I'm about to tell you, you will not find it. There's a lot of people out there that are not listening to us. They're seeing our previous videos from a few weeks ago on tracking down other hard-to-get kits, and they're just sitting at home going, oh, it says online that it's not available in my store. Oh. Well, that's not how you find it. So we're going to show you how to find it, and we're also going to do a box opening on one of these kits here for you, because we have not one, but we have 2 kits here. So we're going to open up one box for you, and the other box we're going to do as a tool giveaway sometime before Christmas. We still have our 100,000 subscriber giveaway to do. Don't forget that. That one's got a lot of tools, and that's taking a lot of work, so that's why we're still maybe another week or 2 away from doing that giveaway. But believe me, you do not want to miss that one. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you are, so you'll be notified when we do that giveaway. So let's go ahead and get into this. So this is your kit right here, and here's how we're going to show you how to find it. So this kit, you can either enter this number right here into any search box on Lowe's. So it's DCD996P2, or this is the Lowe's SKU number right here, 786685. And they'll put these stickers on a lot of the toolkits that they store way up high. So what you do then is you search the website, and it'll say $319, okay? And don't just give up, say, oh, well, mine said $319, blah, 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 I can't get it. Don't worry about that. It will also say that there's none in stock in your store. Don't worry about that either. And also, one of our friends of our channel, Al Lopez, pointed out to us that sometimes you get different results on the Lowe's app on your phone, like you can see here on this screen, than you do on the desktop version, which is even more strange. What you try to do first is bring it up on your local area, and it will tell you if any of the stores in your area have it. If it says it's available for pickup at a store, it won't say that there's inventory of it. It'll say it's available for pickup. That's the store I would head to first. So the next thing I want you to do is to memorize what this package looks like, okay? Because see, we didn't have that advantage that you now have when we went to look for it the first time. Now that we have it and we found it the hard way, we can show you how to find it the easy way, and this will save you the most amount of time possible. All right, so here we are in the Davy store in Southwest Ranches, Florida, which is due west from Fort Lauderdale. And as I look up top, like I always tell you guys, sometimes it might say that there's none in stock, but if you come in the store and look up, it's that black case right there. Now I'm going to zoom into it there. So I'm zoomed in here, and you can see it, 786685. That is the kit number right there on it, that black case all by itself. It's the last one in the store, and it took us going to 4 different Lowe's stores to find this puppy. So just like I said, man, sometimes you go looking for stuff, and it might show 0 online, but you know, you come in anyway, and if you're smart and you do like we do, you'll find it. And this particular Lowe's store is really good, because if you look down here, see, they got all the Craftsman there, and they very cleverly just kept all the Dewalt in this section. So it only took me about 90 seconds to find it, because I already knew the shape of it too, and what it looks like. It's a black hard case that sticks out of the side of the packaging a little bit there. So I already knew sort of what it was looking like, and I actually found it by shape before I saw the SKU number. Say Dewalt on them, so you can't tell because it's inside, but if they have the kit number on there, you can find it. Zoom in on this thing here, and there it is, showing up at 143.30. Was it 55? Really? And that's $175 off. Wow, man. And then you see these lockup cages over by the registers. Sometimes you get lucky and find them in there too. So sometimes they'll keep some of the more valuable stuff that they think might get stolen or whatever and they keep it up here in these cages, so you want to have them look in there. I've already had a couple of people tell us that they were able to find them there in these cages right up by the register. Okay, the number one thing for you to remember when you go to shop for these and try to find this very elusive Dewalt toolkit, it is not down on the floor. Nobody I know has found this on the floor yet. It's always up top, way up high above the regular stock, okay? Number two, none of the store employees know it's there. They don't know anything about it. Number three, when you go into the store and you get one down and the employees can scan it, the barcode right there on the back, that's when you see the lower price. You might not only see it online. It might be $319 online, but that doesn't matter. Don't let that stop you. Get down to the store, get the box down, and when they scan it, it should drop to, hopefully, $144. Okay, so if you look at the box, the first thing, the most important thing to remember about this kit is that it comes in the black plastic case, right? So notice how you have a kit here where the black plastic is sticking out beyond the actual cardboard wrap around it, see? So it may be sitting down like that on a shelf, and you'll see the handle, the black handle there, with black sticking out on either side of the cardboard, right? Or it could be standing up like this, and you'll see the black sticking out. Or, in the case of mine last night, which you'll see here in the video here, when we went in last night to find it, you'll see it right there sticking up above my head. The case was stored on the shelf sideways like this, so you wouldn't even know what it was if it wasn't for this sticker right here. So when I went into my Lowe's store last night and walked right into the tools section and looked up above, we found it within 10 seconds of looking, just because we knew exactly what it was looking like. It doesn't look like these other boxes here. See, this is what a regular box looks like that doesn't have the hard plastic case. So you're going to be looking up top and seeing a whole bunch of different sized yellow boxes that look like these, but that's not what you're looking for. You're looking for this black plastic. This is what will cut down your search time by a boatload. Okay, so in this Lowe's, they keep all of the Dewalt stock up top over here on this aisle. So you can tell, because of the unique shape of our packaging, that it should stick out like a sore thumb on this big old sea of plain old yellow boxes. See, it could be this here, or it could be that one right there. See, it could be those, but those are too tiny, I think. And it could be like these two, but it's already got a number on them, so we already know what that is. It's not that number. And same with that stack up top. And then all the way the rest down the way. There's a couple of other little spots, but you see how easy it is to narrow it down now? Well, I confirmed it because I actually climbed up the ladder here and went up and took a look myself. I was going to grab it, but the box is empty, which means that's likely the floor model. Okay, so the important thing to keep in mind here, folks, is be persistent. Remember, no matter what anybody tells you along the way, it's not in my scanner or it doesn't show it online as inventory, it doesn't matter. Go in there and look. Once you've looked and exhausted and know what you're looking for, and you check the entire stock up top and you know you can't find it, that's the only way you know that store doesn't have it. And you just move on to the next store. We had to go to 3 stores before we found one. And so remember, this, at the $145 price, this kit is $175 off the regular shelf price of this kit. That's what makes this either the first or second best Dewalt tool deal of all of 2020. We showed you that other great tool deal the other night, right? With the Dewalt 3-tool woodworking kit there. That one, there's a screaming deal. And a lot of people went for that one too. A number of you, ever since we showed it to you in August, you've been snapping that one up. That's another one that the stores don't even know they have, and it's not in stock on the floor. And check this out, while we were here, we also looked up and found that 3-tool woodworking combo kit from Dewalt. That's the one that's going for $299. That's a steal. We've been telling everybody about this kit for the last month and a half. And this is, again, how you find that kit as well. So they're only hard to find if you don't know where they are, but they're easy to find when you know to look for them and where they are. Hey, and by the way, don't put too much credence into this Made in the USA sticker here. I mean, yeah, it was all assembled here in the US, but it says assembled from global parts, which means the tools are probably still made in China and everything. But maybe somebody in the US here put it together in the box. That's about the best we can tell. Okay, so you got the nice metal clasps here. In a minute. And when you open it up there, you have your DCD996 drill here. already with a 5 amp hour battery. And I'm actually a little surprised that they did it like this, because I wasn't sure that you're allowed to ship a tool like this unless it's done in the store after the fact. And now see, this is how you're supposed to ship a battery, is like at least in a bag. I'm surprised they don't have the red caps on them like they normally do with the Dewalt batteries. Okay, so of course it comes with your standard DCD996P2 charger. I'm going to throw this one up on eBay. I've got so dang many chargers. I don't know, maybe I'll keep it in here. Maybe I'll try to find one of the smaller yellow fast chargers and put it in here. But so we get a belt clip hook here, and here's your side handle for the DCD996. Now on the newer one that we showed you last week, on the FlexVolt Advantage version of this drill, which has the DCD999 is what they're calling that drill now, the same drill. The newer one has aluminum here and a longer handle. Gives you more gripping ability. Okay, so we'll pull the drill out here. Pull this out here. And the handle. And this here is our kit, folks, in its entirety. The DCD996 half-inch hammer drill. And this is a type 2. And then here's the handle right here. So that's how you would use it. Yep. And it's got the LED on the front too. And then here's the other 5 amp hour battery and the charger. By the way, Home Depot is selling this very same kit for $2.99. Hey, one other thing too, folks, is remember Home Depot sells this exact same kit here for $299. So maybe if you go in there with a printout or just show them on your phone Lowe's website, maybe Home Depot will match it for you. Okay, so the other thing that I want to warn you about with this particular kit here is that some people, depending on where you are in the country, are reporting that, hey, the price wasn't $144, it was $175. I've heard $205, I've heard $225, and I've heard $250. And I've even heard 2 people so far tell us, hey, at their store, when they scanned it, it didn't drop from $319 at all. So the pricing is going to be all over the place. Hopefully yours is at $144, but it doesn't matter, because to me, anything below $250 is a buy on this, and I'll tell you why. All right, so now we'll show you why this kit is such a screaming buy. Because if you take a look at the price of all of the components in this kit here, the DCD996B, the bare tool itself, is $159. Each one of these 2 5 amp hour batteries is $119 right now. That's the cheapest you could get them for. They're normally $149. And then the charger here is $74. If you look on Lowe's website, they're charging $74 for this DCB115 charger. And then you figure the box here, the carrying case is probably $20. All in all here, you're looking at $491 of retail value if you were to buy all of these tools separately. But you know, we always tell you, don't buy your tools separately. Try to get them in a kit. You're always going to get the best deal in a kit. So the kit price is $319 on this. And even at the $145 clearance sale price that you're seeing this kit at right now, you're saving $175 off of the regular floor price that you would see it at in the store. That's why this is a screaming deal. Well, man, this is twice in 1 week that we have saved you folks $175 off of a kit. And then on that 3-tool woodworking kit, we saved you $100 off of that kit. So if you found this video informational, hey, do us a favor, would you please? Give us a thumbs up down below. That tells us that you like us. Man, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, man, you can see all the great tool deals we find for you, like the one behind me, and all of the great tool reviews we do for you, and all of the remodeling of your homes and your kitchens and your bathrooms, and we get you out of the toughest engineering disasters out there. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, click on that subscribe button down below there, and then click the little gray bell icon next to it. That way you'll be alerted, because I have people that complain, oh, we didn't get alerted, because you didn't click the bell and then select receive all alerts from this channel. So anyway, thank you so much for joining us this week, folks, and we will see you on the next one.